Hi, this is Chris from VizToolkit, and in this video I'm gonna talk about VizToolkit Social Board configuration. Okay, so after installing application and running it for the first time, you'll need to set up some configuration settings. VizToolkit Social Board communicates with this engine through Media Sequencer engine, so let's set up this first. We click the MSC section at the bottom here, and now we have to tell application which MSC we would like to use. I'm going to use local, but you should localhost. But you should point this to the MSC you're using in your production system. Okay, the second thing we need to do is select MSC profile. So when we'll be showing our graphics, they will appear on a proper Viz engine. Once again, I'm gonna select local profile and we hit OK. So we're done with Media Sequencer engine settings. Now let's open the settings dialog. As you can see, we have just a couple of categories here. First I'm going to talk about is our general settings, and all we need to do is we have to select the data folder in which VizToolkit Social Board is going to store some data. At this point, I have to mention that in your production system, you should always select folder in a location that is accessible by your Viz engine machines. This is important because our application is going to store some images there, and if Viz engine doesn't recognize this folder or doesn't have access to this folder, the images won't show up in the scenes. Okay, so on my computer, I'm going to use only local Viz engine, so that's why I'm going to select or create a folder, let's say in my documents folder, and let's call it VizToolkit Social Board, and hit OK. Okay, so we've selected data folder. Okay, so now let's move on to the trio category. And since we have already selected the Media Sequencer engine and the profile, the last thing we should do is select the show to which we would like to publish our messages. So I have created a show in Trio that's called Social Feeds, and I'm gonna select this one. The show we're selecting here will need to have templates for our messages. So in the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to prepare scenes for VizToolkit Social Board, and we're going to import these scenes into this exact show. Okay, the last category is the preview. It's an optional category. If you have the preview server product from VizRT installed somewhere in your production system, you can use it to generate previews of the published elements. So I have installed the preview server on my computer, so I'm going to use it as a preview server for this application. Okay, and that's basically all the settings you need to do to get started. So once we close the application, since we selected the preview server, we have the preview box here, and now we can get started.